The Cantonese language has a lot of utterances that are not actual words, but just sounds which derive their meaning from the way you make that sound.
Discuss. Yee. Curiosity. Yee. Surprise. Whoa. Amazed, but still a bit exaggerated. Whoa.
There's also the sarcastic wah, like wah, 咁犀利, as in wow, so impressive when it's not impressive. Or wah, 吓,好靚仔啊, wow, such a handsome dude when he's not.
Weirded out. Huh? Dumbfounded. Huh?
Or the indignant ha, which I think women do more than men. Ha!
Dumbfounded but accepted reality. Oh.
And there's the respectful awe that shows that you're paying close attention. Oh.
Unimpressed. Ch. Che. Bibi che.
And you got the really long chair that goes che. And that one kind of means get with the program. Che, 咩你咁老土啊？呢啲咁嘅垃圾你俾我都唔要啊！ Oh, come on, get with it. This kind of garbage, I wouldn't even want it if it was free.
Most common. Ayya.
There's the ayah when you've forgotten something. Ayah, 我唔記得鎖門啊. Uh-oh, I forgot to lock the door. There's the exasperated ayah. Ayah. There's the indignant, you've got some nerve ayah. Ayah.
Hi. You said something really superstitiously bad. Eh? You just found out about something. Disappointment.
Hi, now that's an interesting one, because it calls to mind a very interesting superstition. When you're giving a present to a Cantonese person, it's inappropriate to gift them a pair of shoes, because the word for shoes is hai, and it's the same as hi when you're feeling down in the dumps. However, there is a way around it if you must give them a pair of shoes, and what you do is tape a penny to the box, because it means that there's been an exchange of money, so it's not really a gift. They purchased them. I know, that sounds friggin' retarded, doesn't it? But I didn't make that up. It's a genuine superstition. And what would Cantonese culture be without superstition?